Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need a charged, paired Apple Watch and iPhone with Bluetooth active. This ensures faces transfer reliably. Once ready, open the Watch app on your iPhone or wake your watch and press firmly on the current face to begin. On the iPhone, tap Face Gallery to browse curated options. On the watch, swipe to the end and tap the plus icon to add a face directly. Starting here gets you into the customization flow right away so you can tailor functionality and style. Now you customize what matters. Select a face style and then pick color, dial layout, and complication slots because those determine what info you see at a glance. Once you tap a complication slot, choose from installed apps and frequently used data. This is why you should set favorites first. Preview how the face looks and behaves. If using the iPhone, tap Add to send it to the watch, or on the watch tap Add. Make sure complications are useful, not cluttered. Finish by making the face active. Long press the watch display and swipe to your new face, or set it as current from the Watch app on iPhone. Reorder faces in the app so your top choices are one swipe away. If the face doesn't appear or complications show incorrect data, restart both devices, confirm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled, and install any available Watch OS or iOS updates. These steps resolve most sync issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.